Hello, assalamualaikum everyone. How are you today? Okay, today we are going to learn on how to access our Barracuda web archiver, where you can find your emails, your calendars, anything to do with Outlook. Okay, so what you do is you fire up your browser and you go into the intranet and use your login ID. Okay. Login, and where is it? It is here in the links. Do you see this icon named email archiver? Okay, click on it. Okay, you will have this pop-up. What you do is click on advanced and then proceed. Okay, now it's requesting for your username and password. So what you do is you put in your username and password that you usually use to log into the computer. And okay, you will see the Barracuda Messenger. Okay, so let's say we want to look for an email from a CEO. We just type in the name and you will see a bunch of emails for the CEO. Okay, now what we do is we go to advanced and then we select the appointment and you just do a search, and all your appointments since inception until the day today will be in the archive. So you can look here. I have archives from 2008. You can click on the date. I don't know why there's a calendar in the future. 2022. Okay. 2008. Yep. Then 2015. Okay, that's how you check your archive if your email your appointments have gone missing from your Outlook calendar. So I hope this helps you out. If you have any inquiries, please send them to IT or request through SRM. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.